My name is Ole Klifoth. I'm the founder and the R&D manager of Audiovector. Since the start in 1979, it's been our mission to remove any obstacle standing in the way of music and performance. In this session, I'll take you through some of these groundbreaking technologies. Soundstage enhancement concept. This concept was developed to allow the tweeters to radiate 30% of their energy to the rear. This means a tweeter which is fitted in a cabinet like this is radiating through this port here, and this creates a bigger sound stage. It creates a broader sweet spot, and very important too, there's no compression. We're not talking about low compression, we're talking about no compression. Freedom grounding concept. We have developed a technology that drains away excessive energy from the baskets of the drive units. Every time a membrane makes a movement, it induces energy in the basket of the drive unit, and then there's some resistance to the next movement. We decided to find a way to drain away this excessive energy, and what we do is we drain it through a dedicated filter and down through a ground terminal where this is connected and to the wall where this is connected. No energy storage. If you can avoid energy storage, you get a cleaner sound, better transient response. A basket like this has only 3 points in which there's contact with the cabinet, and this reduces the interaction with the cabinet and it gives you a cleaner sound. CU minus 238. This is minus 238 degrees Celsius. The cryogenic treatment that we are using for some of our products, and which we've been using for the last 22 years, reduces resistance in the materials. For example, in this crossover we get reduced resistance in the cabling. The whole crossover is actually cryogenically treated to rearrange the crystal structure of the material and get a better sound, and as I said before, to reduce resistance. Audiovector individual upgrade concept. This is a technology that allows you to upgrade your speakers. If you, for example, own a pair of SR3 signatures, you can upgrade them to, say, an R3 Arete. Your new Arete speakers will be packed in new boxes and they will come with a new 5-year warranty. All Audiovector S and R series speakers are upgradable and future-proof. No standing waves. In the cabinets for the R series we have teardrop-shaped cabinets. There are no standing waves inside, which means we don't need a lot of dampening material, which means we do not need to convert energy, sound energy, into heat. We get much more energy out of the speaker this way, and it's the best way to do it, and it's a perfect cabinet shape. No standing waves means more efficiency, a better sound, a cleaner sound. Sandwich membrane technology. In all Audiovector speakers we use sandwich membranes. The reason is that we want the best membranes, and the best membranes are stiff, light and dead, like this one from the R series. Very stiff, very light, very dead. We can only achieve these qualities by bonding different materials together to get a distortion-free membrane. This way we get a very linear response without dips and peaks, and a distortion-free response too. Titanium voice coil technology. Instead of using an aluminium voice coil former like everybody does, we use a titanium voice coil former to wind our coils on. Why do we do that? Let me explain. Now I drop a voice coil wound on aluminium down into this gap here, and you saw the movement. It's a slow movement, it's a damped movement. This means there's some resistance in the gap of the magnet which stands in the way of a precise movement from the side of the amplifier. Let me show you what happens when you wind the voice coil on titanium. Like this, no resistance. This means also no distortion. Dynamic feed-forward technology. We are able to actually reduce the physical size of a coil on our crossovers by 40%, and reducing the size of the coil and the length of wire in series with the base driver gives us a lot more precision in the reproduction.